Hey Marnie, Darren. So I just wanted to thank you for putting together this really nice formatted Word document. This is ideal, really easy for me to follow. So just a couple of questions on the our management section. So you've got these really nice write-ups for Darren and Adam here. And so if we refer to, let's see, what page is this? I think it's this one. So yeah, our management section here on the About page. So I just wanted to, give you kind of a thought on what I was planning to do. I was going to grab images if they wanted their images in there. If not, I would kind of need to adjust the boxes. So I was thinking about just putting their images in there, and then I'd have to do a bit of a format and maybe have their join our team, and then put the write-ups just below here, like in a paragraph form below, and then space them, like get rid of these two sections, these two areas, so that they're kind of centered in the middle. Let me know if that works or not. I'm just going to grab your questions real quick. So this is your last email here. And so from what I understand, I've got the service page pulled up as well as the home page. And so I think what you're asking is basically, if I click here, will that take me to a specific part on the service page? Is that correct? I'm probably going to give you a call. I just want to make sure I understand that. I'll give you a call on Monday if you want to let me know what time works. And then I already addressed question 4 in regards to the management issue, or the layout issue there. Just kind of not really an issue, but more just how to go about approaching that. So in regards to question 3, yes. So once you complete content for the service page, then I will just use that content, probably even just summarize it down a bit simpler, and then have that go on the home page in these little short blurbs here. Question 4, that's not a problem. I can fix that. I can send you the link here shortly. So here are the 3. I'll give you 3 free stock photo sites. If you just hit free download, it'll give you the different sizes. You don't actually have to donate, but it'll actually give you options here to pick the size you want, and then you can download as equipment. You don't have to donate either, but if you'd like to, that's great. This, again, another great site, Unsplashed, and the last one is Pixabay. So those are the 3 that I really like as far as quality goes. I'll put those in the email. So in regards to the social media links, for now, if we're not using it, let's not, I can just remove that if that's what you'd like. We can add it at any time. It's not an issue, but we want to use it if we're going to have it there. If not, it just looks terrible. So, and I will move the blogs and projects from the menu, and this is how we work. I'll also do this too. That's pretty straightforward, so I can take care of that for you. Let me know if you're around Monday, like in the afternoon for lunch break. Probably need to talk to you for like 2 to 3 minutes. That'd be great. Have a nice weekend. Stay warm.